just right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for another cleaning video. My name is Cheyenne. I am a stay-at-home mom of 4 kids and 3 dogs. We recently moved to eastern New Mexico about a year and a half ago, and maybe about 2 years now, actually. Almost 2 years. Well, anyways, we just bought this house back in March, and we feel really good about owning our own home and everything like that. We don't have to worry about landlords or anything like that. But with home ownership comes a lot of possible issues. So I'll definitely get into that here in just a few minutes. But again, for those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. I like to post motivational cleaning videos for you in hopes that you'll gain some motivation to tackle any projects in your house that you may have or needing to do that day. So anyways, if you haven't considered subscribing, I hope that you do. It is free for you, doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps out my channel. And for right now, I'm going to go ahead and play the music, and I'll jump in from time to time. So on this day, we were kind of struggling a bit because we kept having our water heater go out. And we called somebody out, they hit the reset button, and then it kept going out like 3 times after that. So they had to come back out the next day and replace the thermostats in the water heater. We actually have an electric one. It's a pretty big one, but now the hot water is great. It flows through the house better, and it hasn't gone out since. So I'm really thankful for that. We also had an issue a few months back in the summertime where our air conditioner went out, and this one company said that they would charge us $4,800 to replace it. We said no. I got a second opinion. The second opinion was just to replace a part. So just keep that in mind if you ever buy a home or, you're a first-time home buyer. Not everything has to be replaced right away. I mean, obviously, if it's not working, completely broken, 20 years old, yeah, I'd say replace that thing, right? But this air conditioner is like 11 years old. It's considered a senior citizen of air conditioners is what they called it. However, sometimes all you really need is a second opinion and to replace some sort of part. It could be either or, but my personal experience is I would get a second opinion. Definitely work with an honest company, someone that you don't feel is trying to get over on you, because there are those companies out there that will. So just keep that in mind and be careful.
I don't know how to feel about it. I hope that time will show. There's something in the way that you looked up on me is telling me I should go. Yeah, I wish I could get an answer, 'cause I don't even know my name right now. I don't know how to feel about this. It all just moves so slow. I want to decide now. The sooner that I get to find out, the better I can get by. But I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it. How to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it. How to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it anymore. Longing back to the days that we shared. Remember how we felt. And your touch was like there was nobody there, like you loved nobody else. Yeah, I wish I could turn the time back. I miss it more than anything right now. But something tells me I should be aware. But baby, how it felt. I want to decide now. The sooner that I get to find out, the better I can get by. But I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it. How to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it. How to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it anymore. How to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it. How to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it anymore. Want your kisses in the morning light. Wanna be next to you.
So in this video, I really tried to touch certain parts of my home. I don't always make it into my bedroom. I wasn't trying to be perfect. We live in our home. Things are going to get messed up again anyways. So I was just really trying to catch up, I guess you would say. I wanted to get the bed made. I hadn't really done this in a long time, where I cleaned the front and then went back to the bedroom after my husband gets out of bed and go make the bed. But it feels so much better. Like, the room is clean and I can function knowing that the bed's made, at least partially. It doesn't, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is a lived-in home. We are not going to be aesthetically pleasing all the time, and that's okay. But as long as the clutter can get picked up and the tidiness and having a bed partially made, I'm good.
Every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might. 'Cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me. We're so bittersweet, but I still want you. I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I Could you be the one to kill my sorrows? Kill my sorrows. Maybe one night you can play the hero. Even if I know it's only for show. You're no good for me. We're so bittersweet, but I still want you. I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream. But I can't deny, I can't deny, oh. I can't deny, I can't deny.
So we are approaching the end of today's video. If you made it all the way through this video, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, thank you absolutely so much for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you would consider. It's free for you. It doesn't cost you anything, and it does help out my channel. And again, I like to post motivational cleaning videos for you guys so that maybe you can get some motivation to tackle any of your own projects around the house. And yeah, so until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.